Hello, story. Once upon a time, níjọ́ kan, ọ̀rẹ́ méjì, two friends, ìjàpá àti ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. So, ìjàpá àti ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ àtàtà, very close friends. So, ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ has a very big farm, squirrel. Ó ní oko ńlá, ó dáko tó pọ̀. But ìjàpá did not have a farm. He was a very lazy man. Ọ̀lẹ àfàjò, ọ̀lẹ alápá má ṣiṣẹ́. Ọ̀lẹ kí ni o? Alápá má ṣiṣẹ́. Say it. Alápá má ṣiṣẹ́. Very lazy friend. So he has asked Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ to give him food many times. Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ will give him. Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ asked him to come and join him on his farm. He refused. He kept taking food. Ó máa ń gbóúnjẹ ṣáṣáṣá, kò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ lóko. So later Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ stopped giving ìjàpá food. Instead of ìjàpá to take up his hoe and cutlass, ọkọ́ àti àdá, like this song said, iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ níṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ wa, ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ á máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ́ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, rárá kò ì pé o. Agriculture is the job of our forefathers. Even when you go to school and you don't practice agriculture, it's not complete. Ìwé kíkọ́ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé. So ìjàpá became a thief because he was not ready to work hard. He was not ready to farm. So he now sneaked and went with Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ one time and saw how Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ enters his farm. Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ very wise, ó gbọ́n gan, ó máa ń kọ orin kan bí password tó máa fi ń wọlé sóko ẹ̀ before he enters. One day, ìjàpá sneaked after Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ to his farm and heard him sing the song before entering his farm. He went and said, Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ pa agbo yí wọn ká, òkùnkùn paradà ó dá, ó ṣe líwà ó jàre, paradìdìdìn parapàdìdìn, paradìdìdìn parapàdìdìn. So ìjàpá saw him and the door to the farm opened and then he entered and was able to farm. So ìjàpá wá tẹ̀lé, ó ti gbọ́ bó ṣe máa ń kọrin, òun náà wá ṣe ohùn bí ohùn ọ̀rẹ́. He changed his voice and went behind his friend. Ó wá lọ lẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹ́, wá débẹ̀ wá change ohùn ẹ̀ bí ti ọ̀rẹ́ Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. Ó náà wá ní Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ pa agbo yí wọn ká, òkùnkùn paradà ó dá, ó ṣe líwà ó jàre, paradìdìn parapàdìdìn. Like this, Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ surrounds his farm, change the darkness to light. He has a very good behavior. So welcome him, open for him. So the door opened for ìjàpá because he sang the song like his friend Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́. Ó kọrin bí, ó ṣe impostor, ó ṣe bí ọ̀rẹ́ wá wọlé sínú. So he went behind his friends back, wá wọnú oko, ó ṣojú kòkòrò, ó hùwà olè. Is it a good thing? It's not a good thing. Hans, is it a good thing? No. It's not a good thing. Ó wá ṣojú kòkòrò, ó kó many things, ó kó èrè oko, he harvested a lot of things. When he wanted to come out, the door was locked. He sang the song. The door did not open because he only knew the song to enter. He did not know there's another song to come out. So he was locked inside his friend's farm. Kò mọ orin tó máa kọ tó máa fi jáde. Wait, so when Ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ came the following morning and saw what happened, he met ìjàpá, his friend, in his farm. He now called everybody on the farmland. They saw ìjàpá. Wọ́n rí, ojú olè rè, olè ojú olè rè, olè játijàti, olè ojú olè rè. Cover your face, shame on you. They took him to the king. They threw ìjàpá in prison. Is it a good thing? No. Is it good to be a thief? No. Is it good to be covetous? No. So keep this lesson. So that is the story.